Naka 1.2 pa lang tayo. We made it! Jakamanyo! Jakamanyo! Ay! Hi! Hiking time! Say hi! We're finally here in the bus terminal. This is how the bus terminal looks like. Hello everyone! We're going to Tebek. It's Descendants of the Sun filming location.
잔잔하기만 하다 온 나의 마음에 Quite suddenly 퐁당 또 퐁당 아니 퐁당 큰 돌을 던진 너 기다리고 기다리던 그 사람
Good morning! We're here in Dongsol Bus Terminal. Ayan. Puro bus dyan. Iba't ibang gate and iba't ibang number. As you can see, ayan, number 90 ng aming bus.
platform
Platform! So excited! This is how their bus terminal looks like. As usual, everything is super fast here in Korea. Walang pila at all. And there's a lot of counters naman to purchase tickets. If not the counters, ang daming yung automated na machine, pwede kayong mag-click-click doon. Sa ticket, makikita nyo anong number ng platform kayo pupunta. So for us, it's 19 and we're heading to 19 Tebek! Bakit sikat si Tebek, babes? So, Tebek is popular for the snow festival. Kabado kami kasi yung unang mga bus na gusto namin, nag-sold out siya bigla online. Pero good thing marami namang available na bus, so hindi kayo mauubusan. Aside from the snow festival, sikat sila for hiking. May beginner trail, may intermediate na trail for the Tebeksan, which is Mount Tebek.
Kasi nabasa ko na okay na pag summer. Cool yung climate na pag summer.
So technically it's like Baguio. So, every summer daw malamig si Tebek. So, it's nice to go there during summer. Let's go! Ayan, lalagay na ni Jun yung baggage namin. Ang laki. Parang naka-business class. Ayan yung seats, guys. Daming tourists. At puno yung bus. Kasi may snow festival. Super sikat siya. Kaja! Alam mo si Jun kagabi sabi niya, babe, di ko alam ba't super excited ko sa Tebek. Feeling namin may field trip kami today. This is how the bus looks like, guys. Diba, bongga. These are the seats. Very spacious. Nare-recline. Now we're going down. Finally here in Tebek. Kanya-kanyang kuha kami ng... Bigla pumasok pa si Jun dun, guys. Para makuha yung luggage. Ayan, may taxi stand dito. Wow, ang daming taxi naman pala. Pero, meron din namang mga bus. We're going to our first stop. Kiling, it's a vibe. Para ako nasa K-drama. Itong kainan na to, guys. Masarap. Tebek Station. Ito yung station, guys, if mag-KTX. Uy, ang ganda ng pinto. Okay, welcome to our room. Wow! Kissing always look like fish? Ano? Okay, we're currently here in our hotel. It's called Hotel A1. Kasi ito na lang talaga yung available, guys, na mabubook. We have a sofa there. We have a table. And then, this is the bathroom. In fairness, maganda. Shower bath, conditioner, shampoo. Check! Ganda. Love it. Ang laki niya. Oh, Malaki siya. Dalawa na lang yung available na hotel nung nag-search ako for Tebek. Grabe, nakakaloka. Sobrang daming pupunta kasi it's the snow festival. Check ako ng check noon nung parang mga 2 weeks, 3 weeks before. Sabi ko, ang dami namang hotels. Hindi ko kailangan mag-book agad. Tapos nung mag-book na ako, sold out na yung ski resort na gusto namin. Tapos eto na lang yung nearest na available, which is around 27 minutes to be exact. So, I think book in advance kasi sikat yung snow festival dito, guys. Tapos, ang dami ding nag-hike kasi nga beginner trail siya. Wow! So beautiful! Ang ganda! Welcome to Samchok! May mga cafes, may mga soju and beer. So, this is our stay for today, for tonight. Tada! Welcome to Gangwon Province. Today we're here in Samchok. So, ang laki-laki pala ng Gangwon, guys. Kasama na dun yung Nami Island, Tebek, Gangneung, ang dami pa. Ni-research talaga namin kasi gusto namin ikutin yung Gangwon. Because this year, it's Korea Tourism Organization's Visit Gangwon Year for 2025 to 2026. So, kasama tayo sa celebration. Thank you so much, Korea Tourism. Yung isa dyan, may na-figure out. Oo. Baka may bayad kasi. Ang nice, guys. Meron din silang mga amenities dyan. Pero nagdala ako ng akin just in case. Ayan. This is what I got. Out and about! Very peaceful ang vibe. 110 meters from our hotel is a nice Korean beef restaurant that we're going to try. Wow! Yum! Parang ang bango ah. Ito ba yun?
Ayan.
Okay, pasok tayo. Ayan siya. Oh my God, it's a ano. Ayan si Lolo, bukas nga tayo. Okay, tara. Wow, it's a Korean. Cool dito. Tabi tayo ba yun?
이쪽 갈비살.
Okay guys, fun fact, this is called Hanwoo beef, a popular beef here in Korea. It originated here in Gangwon-do, particularly in Tebek and Samchok, due to their cool climate and ideal conditions for raising a cattle. They have a lot of side dish and lahat masarap kami. Tapos ito, this is parang cold soup. Wow! Grabe guys, ang sarap. What a meal. Masarap siya, nakakatuwa. Feeling ko ang may-ari si Ajushi na very hands-on. Tapos anak niya yung isa doon. Gumawa na kami ng kwento ni Jun, syempre.
Family restaurant.
Family restaurant. Ito yung in-order namin, itong dalawang to. If pupunta kayo dito, guys, yung dalawa. Orderin niyo. Number 1 and number 2. Ayan. Ay, natakot siya. Ay. Pag si Jun talaga naghahanap ng restaurant, panalo. Saya ko. BHC! Cool! Merong lutuan ng ramen. O, diba? Tapos mag-moment kayo dito sa loob. May ano pa? Here in CU. Let's get some ice cream. Okay.
It's been a long, hard season. I'm feeling weary to my bones.
Morning! We're finally here in O2 Ski Resort. Ito siya. Gonna stay here overnight. This is one of the most underrated ski resorts dito sa Korea. As you can see, yung mga slopes, wala masyadong tao. So if you really wanna learn, gusto nyo ng wide space for you guys, yung wala masyadong foot traffic, I highly suggest this ski resort. Usually and normally, they have O2 day tours or yung mga shuttle services from Seoul to here. Meron silang ino-offer, you just have to check. Kami, syempre, kami nag-bus, pero pwede rin kayo mag-train or kung ano-ano man. Ang daming ways to go here. So, tingnan mo, nakalagay din, auto resort.
Pero yun yung nasa picture.
Saya, parang ako nasa bakasyon. Okay, we're checking in. Kaso feeling ko maaga pa, so iwan lang natin yung luggage. Ang cool, guys. They have snow tubing. So, kanina yung nababaan pala namin, it's the ski resort itself. So, technically, nandun lahat ng magsiski. So, kung magdi-day tour kayo, usually they have shuttle bus from Seoul to here. Usually, check nyo na lang yung schedule. If not, they have tours sa Klook. Parang one-day tour, ganyan, with ski lesson, something like that. Ililink ko na lang yung mga activities from Klook para hindi na kayo mahirapan maghanap. But, ayun, mag-stay kami dito. So far, so good. Ang ganda ng hotel. Ang ganda ng view. Actually, it's fully booked kahapon. Buti nakakuha kami ng extra room for today. Kasi dapat kahapon, guys, dito talaga kami. Naubusan lang ako ng hotel. Kasalanan ko talaga. Sabi ko kasi, alam ba ako mamaya hindi matuloy. Hanggang sa tuloy na, naubusan tuloy ako. So for today, the highlight of our trip and what I'm so excited about is the Taebaek Snow Festival here in Gangwon-do. Every winter, they do that and a lot of tourists and locals go here to see the Snow Festival. So for this year, it's from February 7 to 16. Students din daw yung gumagawa ng mga sculptures, so I'm so excited. After that, we're gonna go around Taebaek kasi fun fact, Taebaek is the shooting location of a lot of K-dramas, especially yung Descendants of the Sun. Pero hindi ko sure kung makakapunta tayo doon sa shooting location. Kasi ang dami natin gagawin this weekend. Na kami sa goat farm and we're gonna hike tomorrow. So meron sila ditong coffee shop, guys. Mukhang okay yung mga kape, oh. Mukhang masarap. Love it. Grabe dun sa baba, sobrang daming street food. Hala, may hotok! Ay, hala, ano to?
Yung Coliseum na. Ito na yung Coliseum. Lapit na.
So, before, yung town ng Taebaek is more on, puro coal mine sila. So, yung shooting location ng Descendants of the Sun, abandoned siya na coal mine daw. So, ngayon, yung nakaset up doon is yung parang yung medical booth nila. Tapos, pwede ka mag-dress up as doctor and parang soldier, ganon. Anyway, welcome here in Taebaek-san. This is the Snow Festival. Ang ganda! Let's go! Ang galing naman, ang lalaki. Ang amazing ng mga sculptures. Actually, guys, to celebrate the 2025 to 2026 Visit Gangwon year, I am attending the Snow Festival here. Wow! Parang hindi nabibigyan ng justice ng camera ng videos ko yung place. Ayan, si Jun nagpipicture siya.
One day she said, write me a love song.
Ang ganda!
Cause I know you'll make it beautiful. Maybe I'll call you my sweetheart. Promise nobody can steal me away.
Ang galing ng mga snow sculptures dito, guys. Kasi pwede mo silang, hindi naman tapakan, pero pwede kang pumasok, pwede kang umakyat dun sa mga hagdan, which is normally hindi pwedeng magawa. Kasi baka siya lumubog. Ang galing nga eh. Oh. Tigas oh.
I wanted you to know. He looked at her and then he smiled. Picked up a pen and paper. Started writing. Probably something about her eyes and how they're always shining.
Sobrang ganda mag-picture. Ay tayo. Sobrang daming tao. Just a lot of people, a lot of locals taking nice photos. But all are very kind. As in, willing to wait. May line, maayos, and mabilis din.
Hindi ka mahirapan magka-picture.
Oo. Ang ganda dito. One of the best snow festivals I've been so far. Ang talented ng mga gumawa. Parang nabasa ko students eh. Hindi ako makapaniwala. Kasi sobrang taas. And pwede mong tapakan, pwede mong mahawakan. Wow.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long
Look at the
as
details. Welcome to Tebec Snow Festival! Ay, ang ganda dito!
Liking for you is all I need until my heart gives.
So here in Dangle Square is the Snow Festival, and then just right here is the hiking trail, I think. A lot of trails, mountain climbing hours, 3 a.m. to 4 p.m. lang. Tapos 4 a.m. to 3 p.m. pag mga November. Ayan siya, guys. Take note of that. Ang ganda ng sunrise dito. Color pink, na nagbo-blue na pastel, something like that. Tara, babe, punta tayo kay Tiniping. So, there's a photo zone for Tiniping. Magpapapicture lang ako. May mga nagko-cosplay, nahiya lang akong magpapicture at tutukan sila. Hello! This is Tiniping! Cute! Oh, so beautiful! Ang saya kasi they made a warm tent like this para sa mga visitors na gustong magpahinga sa loob. May chairs and tables, guys. Tapos pwede kayo umupo. A lot of people are just, you know, relaxing and eating all day. Nakakatuwa. A lot of locals are dancing. Feeling ko yung song na yan is nung kabataan nila.
Pwede tayo pumunta ng Tebec Coal Museum soon.
Tara?
Pwede tindaanan kasi malapit lang.
Ilang beses nang binanggit sa akin ni John yan the Tebec Coal Museum. So, let's go. Let's try. That's it for our Tebec Snow Festival. I hope you visit this next year, guys. Nakaka-happy siya. And whenever there's a snow festival, there's a lot of taxis, there's a lot of bus. Nag-set up sila ng free shuttle bus for everyone going here. So, from the bus terminal or from the train station ng Tebec, they have the shuttle bus. Yeah. Ayan guys, sabi ni June, since you're already here in the Snow Festival, punta tayo dito sa Tebec Coal Museum. So, ito yung parang livelihood nung town. Tama ba, livelihood? Yes. Wow! So, iba't ibang klase ng rocks. Kat, kung nanonood ka, matutuwa ka dito. Para bili tayong ticket. Wow, mukhang maganda yung museum, oh. Eh, how much is the ticket? I think it's 2,000 won. So, mura lang. Price is 2,000 won. So, that's around 80 pesos to enter the museum. Not bad if you're already here in the area. Hindi ka pala sa museum?
Nakastigan na ako minsan sa itsura. Isa na lang binigay niya. Tipid sa pagkain.
Wow! Ganda na ito, ah. Parang yun siguro yung feeling sa ilalim.
Baka.
Umaalog ba? Or ako
Di yung tiles umaalog.
Sabi ko kay Jun, baka may takutan, may rides dito. Wow! Amethyst. Opal.
Diyos naman to.
Sobra, babe. Ako nga natutuwa. Totoo bang ito yung rock? As in, ito yung rock or ano lang?
Feel ko legit yan.
Oh my God, babe. Amethyst to. Wow, guys. Real life. Totoo siya. And this one is opal. Alam mo, babe, sorry, pero pangarap ko bumili ng ganyan eh.
Hello.
Ah. Masakit? Masakit.
Sobrang clear kasi.
Huntog siya, guys.
Dreaming of you, dreaming of you. 우주를 접어.
Ganda na.
Dreaming of you.
Guys, ang cool. Ako lang ba? Nakukulan dito.
Mahilig sa bato pala.
Hindi ko akalain din.
Mahilig sa bato?
My God, ang cool. Nickel. Native silver. So, ganyan ang silver. Native gold. Ayan siya. Okay guys, sorry. Sobrang nag-enjoy ako. I don't know why I'm so amazed. Ngayon ko lang na-realize, I love stones. I love rocks. Hindi lang pala si Jun yung nauuntog. Ayan lang ako nakakita. Ayan o guys, malakite. Wow, iba-ibang klase ng malakite. Ay, feeling ko hindi kayo interesado pero gustong-gusto ko pa rin i-vlog. Ang ganda sobra. Hindi ko alam, mahilig pala ako sa mga ganito guys. As in, I can stay here all day and look.
And then, I mean, curious lang.
Ang ganda! Hindi ka nagagandaan?
Maganda. Pero hindi ako, hindi ako mahilig sa...
Rocks? Look at your birthstone. Anong birthstone nyo dyan? Ako si Emerald. Yan ang birthstone ko. Ha! Ang ganda! Ayan pala siya. Emerald. Yan, ruby, sapphire, peridot, opal. This parang yellow rock na you are seeing sa kamay ko. That's citrine. And ito siya. Ganda. Ang ganda ng museum na to guys. Housing Life of Miners Village. So, ganyan yung house nila before. Ito yung miner. Ang cool. Ano to? Saan tayo papunta? Parang nakakatakot. This is the Tebek shop simulated daw yun, guys. Okay, ba't parang nakakaba? Guys, hindi ko ba't nag-enjoy ako dito. Sobrang fun niya. Daanan nyo to. Parang around 80 pesos lang naman. Oh my God, let's go.
페이지-300 출발.
Wow! Simulated mine works. Oh my God, ang ganda dito, guys. Coal development in Joseon Dynasty.
Pero ang ganda kung ganito matututunan yung history na.
Oo. Parang nai-imagine ko talaga siya. Ang weird sabihin, pero parang ano siya, parang nakakakilabot na ewan. Kahit simulated lang. This is a must visit. Parang nakakakilabot siya for some reason. Lalo na yung nasa taas. Parang may feels. Oo, ang sad. Parang nai-imagine ko talaga siya. So, ganito ang isang coal mining. Yan, rock drills yung nakikita nyo, guys. Isa to sa mga pinakamagandang museum na nakita ko so far. Sobrang realistic ng lahat. Ganito sila kumain. May lunchbox sila. Parang, ano yung ulam nila? Pati yung kung paan, yung feels ng paglakad, mararamdaman nyo. Umuuga, no? Oo. Yun na nga, parang may earthquake eh, no? Madadaanan nyo.
Kaso pagkabarad nila, parang pa-advance na pa-advance na.
Like that, we're out. We're done with the museum. Ang ganda, sobra. 5 stars, no joke guys. Napaka worth it niya. Sobrang high value nung mga nandun sa museum. Parang mura siya sa 80 pesos guys for a museum na ganun ka interactive and informative. If you ever find yourself in Tebek, please visit the museum. Parang may pa-event doon sa Snow Festival. Yung naririnig yung ingay, Snow Festival yun. Over there is the Snow Festival, guys. Going down. Sakto, it's around 12 o'clock. We're gonna eat. Ang cool. Parang meron silang skywalk tulo. Ayan o, ang ganda. Ito. Midway, guys, we saw this. There's a cafe over there. Oh, maganda oh. Ang aesthetic naman ng coffee shop na to. It's giving. It's a vibe. So, try natin kahit isa. So beautiful here. Ang fun ng vibe. Tingnan nyo yung mga locals. May picnic sila doon. Kangwon Southern Social Economy. It's such a cute place. Ang ganda. Let's go. Ay, ang cute. Ang ginagawa mo, kaya mo pa ba? Hi, cat. Meow. May pusa talaga. Oh my God. Guys, she's so cute! Tulog siya! Hi! Guys, so cute! Pwede niyo siyang ipet like this. Tulog siya! Tulog siya. Got our goods. Ah, dito sila naglalaro minsan, no? Ay, siya yan, no? Wow, sarap.
Mamingit ka.
Medyo matamis yan, so baka muli.
Matamis-tamis din yan.
Masarap. Best pumpkin latte so far. Parang pumpkin yung ginamit talaga eh. Ang cute, kinausap kami nila, Ajushi. Welcome to Korea daw. Guys, ang sarap sa cafe na to. Parang napaka-premium nung lasa, no? 5 stars. Sarap. Ayan guys, they have this Safe Town 365. Maraming rides. Ayan, may indoor. I think may outdoor din ata. This is the Tebek tourist map. Meron din silang parang windmill na park. Ito, ang ganda rin yan pag snow. This is what I mentioned na shooting location ng Descendants of the Sun. Over here, they have a lot of, you know, restaurants. Wow, ayun o, parang may crabs over there, oh. Sarap mag food trip. Ang saya, para ako nasa isang K-drama. Puno, oh. Oh my God! May shooting location to, oh. Si Park Seo-joon ba yun? Ang labo ng mata ko. Daming vendors, street food na pwedeng bilhin. Strawberries. Grabe, ang daming tour bus, oh. Dito na sila nakapark sa gilid. Puno na ata yung parking space. Oh, dang! Ano ka, ding, babe? Tempura. Sige, oding tayo.
Tinaw mo na ganda.
Okay. Babe, ano yun? Snail? Snail. Annyeonghaseyo. Ano to? Tempura? Gonna eat some odeng. Pinapasok tayo para sa odeng. Parang ang mga locals kumakain ng odeng nang nakaupo. Odeng! Parang parang mini Myeongdong. Parang mini Hongdae. Nandito yung mga shops. Parang ito yung town proper siguro nila. Ganda! This is a cute town. We're now heading to the popular Hwangji Pond. And ayun, may Christmas tree pa rin sila dito. Cute! Welcome to Hwangji Pond! Also known as the Mirror Pond kasi daw nare-reflect niya yung mga trees. So clear yung water. And divided into 3 parts siya. So parang ito yung isa. And may isa pa doon, connected siya sa isang river. Wala lang, share lang. Baka lang gusto yung malaman. Cute siguro kung magpapagawa tayo ng ganito, baby. Tebek is popular for dak galbi. I think sa Gangwon-do, Gangwon province nag-originate ang dak galbi. Kasi even in Nami Island, puro dak galbi yung tinitinda, di ba? Yung mga tabi-tabing stores doon. So dito rin nakita namin na sikat ang dak galbi. Search mo. Very good ba ako? Hinulaan ko lang yun. Hinulaan ko lang yung fun fact ko na sa Gangwon nag-originate ang dak galbi.
Kasi dahil din dun sa mga Gangwon cities.
Sa laki ng Gangwon, guys, yung mga popular tourist spots nila, lahat yun. Maraming dak galbi restaurants na tabi-tabi. So, I think dito talaga nag-originate.
When we were younger, we used to sit on the
A lot of people are taking photos. From there to up to here, Hwangji Pond yun, guys. Ayan. It's in the center of this town. After taking photos, merong shopping district na pwedeng ikutin.
flowers. We just let the days pass by. People would tell us to get a grip of ourselves and get a job. We didn't care what we were told, cause when we were younger,
The
we
Mirror
used to
Pond.
sit on the
Welcome to
grass
Hwangji
and go
Pond.
down. I don't wanna grow old. I wish I could turn
Ah,
back
so
time.
beautiful here. Ang cool ng place. Bumaba lang kami dyan, guys. Picture niya yung ano niya. Kasama niya, sabi niya, wow! Ang galing nga, pila-pila sila.
Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed.
Patsok tayo, guys. Cool! Grabe, oh.
Card.
May credit card pwede. Ang cute. They have tiniping arcade games here. Gachapon as well.
Kagandahan na.
Ay, ang ganda nung kay Jude.
Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from
Ayun yung sa'yo. Hindi ko natabihan.
Tabihan kita, gawa ko lang. Go.
Bakit ang ganda nung sa'yo? Cute. So cute.
when we got old.
Oh guys, kainan daw to lahat, sabi ni Jun. Bakak.
Wow. Ito, ano to?
Pila dito, oh. Wow, ano kaya yan? Grabe, ano to? Tebek, dak, galbi. Dito pala kami kakain, haba ng pila. Pati balikan natin bukas after hike.
Oo, tara, balikan natin.
Dahil super haba ng pila, guys. And punong-puno yung restaurant. We're going to a different food place.
Hindi magulo.
Okay lang. Parang tong Baguio Session Road. I think it's one of the most popular restaurants here in Tebek. So we're heading to a different one. Maganda rin yung reviews. 4.7 stars. 2,600 ang nag-review. So, bukas na lang namin yung kakainan yun. Kasi Monday tomorrow. So, mas konti yung people for sure. Okay. Ay, wow! Pasok ka, besh! Ayan. Look at this marble beef. Yung mga restaurant dito, kala mo sarado. Bubuksan nyo lang siya, guys. Wow. This is where we're gonna eat today. Tebek Korean Beef Mall. Guys, pansin ko dito sa Tebek, they have this cold soup. Kahapon din meron. And they have a lot of side dishes. Ito palang dami ng one. And then yung sausawan nila, iba din. Laging sa meat, may kasamang parang ito, yung onions na to. Kapag kumakain ka ng grilled na meat, parang kailangan meron laging ganito. Kasama to sa dip. This is our order. Hot? Share ko lang, guys, there's a free Wi-Fi here in Tebek for public. So, minsan nagugulat ako, nakakonek ako sa Wi-Fi, tapos free Wi-Fi nila yun. Public Wi-Fi. So, put sa salt, tapos lalagyan nyo daw ng... Ako, isusubo ko na lang, guys.
Ito ba din?
Come to the goat farm. So happy. It's called Mongtorak. Tingnan nyo, may poster ng Descendants of the Sun, no? So feeling ko nag-shooting dito. Ganda dito, guys. Nakaka-happy. This is 8 minutes from sa may Wangji Pond area. So, pwedeng i-taxi or may mga bus, ganyan. Tapos, may cute na cafe din. Ganda. Wala lang snow today. Pero guys, on normal winter day, punong-puno to ng snow. Ang ganda din. We got this from the cafe. So, it turns out the tickets and this one you have to buy sa cafe. Oh my God, nag-aantay siya sa atin. Hello! Anyo! Huwag mo kong turuhin. Alam kong maliit ako. Anyo! Hi! Uy, huwag kang excited. Dito tayo. Wala, tumatakbo sila! Ayan na si June. As an animal lover yan, guys.
Wonder if you think about me like I think of you.
Cute nila,
Wonder
guys.
if you dream the way I do. When you look at
get close. Places as
Guys, super saya!
you get caught by your own thoughts like I did.
Ay! Oh! May mga tae sila! No? Tsaka man yung... Ang cute niya naman! Ay! Wala nang tutorial sila. Ay, walang tutorial sila. Ay, wow! Kamanyo! Tsaka kamanyo! Annyeong! Hello! Hi! They are so kind! Lolo! Ang cute! Ang cute! Uy! Nagme! They're so cute! Hi! Nag-aabang na sila agad ah. Ang cute! Annyeong! Take 2! Enjoying this. Aray! Sinuro niya ako dito! Wala ka man niya! Ay! Wait na to!
Ay!
Ay! Ouch! Ay! Wait! Magkapitan na siya ka man! Ay! 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 Bad na yun ah!
No.
No! Ayan na. Oh. Uy, may picture mo ka. Galing mo sa animals, babe. Love na love ka nila.
Takot ka lang, babe. Babait ka lang. Nakabang ka lang. Layan, ipakita mo kinakain mo. Very good, babe.
So fun! Ang ganda dito. Tingnan nyo.
Ay, ito yung damit mo.
Pakita mo sa kanila yung nangyari sa akin. Oink! Oink! Dami, sobra.
Ito pa. Meron pa sa gilid. Saya nila eh.
Ang saya naman do. Huwag kayo mag-white guys. Katulad nangyayari sa akin. Sobrang saya. Sobrang ganda dito. Hi, Lovey! Hi! Hi! Hello! You look like Chase! My dog! Say hi! Say hi to the vlog! Ay, ay, ay! Say hi! Hi! Bye! Mas okay guys na kamay talaga. Kaso, takot ako. Kasi pag kamay, mas lighter sila. Kapag yung ganun parang ganun sila.
Ang galing.
Para matanggal yung mga dumi guys. Kamusta, sir? Ang cute mo dyan, ah. Beautiful, beautiful. Ito yung look nila. Pag summer or spring, ganda, no? Shot here. Cute. This is our order. Ganda ng view, no? What a view! Sobrang ganda dito. I ordered this one. I think this is red bean with butter. And then this one is Cajun. Hindi ko sure kung alin to, pero tanungin natin siya pagbalik niya. Ninisin niya yung jacket ko and jacket niya. Kasi sobrang daming putek from the ship. Ay hindi, yung kanya wala. Ako yung inaangkasan nila eh. Tapos ka na? Ano to, babe? Ah, cream puff daw, guys. Cream puff. Ang ganda ng tebek pala, guys. Parang yung beauty niya is untouched beauty. If you like nature, if you like yung parang very simple, untouched na nature. And good food, punta kayo dito sa Tebek. And if you like hiking, parang mahilig kayo sa mga stones, ganyan, punta kayo dito sa Coal Museum. This is such a nice weekend trip. And I feel like if you ever find yourself in Korea and if you have time, if you've been to the usual places, this is a road less traveled, but definitely something so memorable for me. Guys, oh, pakita mo sa kanila yung ginawa ng mga goat. Take 3. Ganon kami nag-enjoy. Bumili na naman kami. So, pang-apat na namin yan. Pakita mo, babe. 5,000 won, isang cup. Sabi sa amin na 1 cup is enough for treat.
Close?
Oh, okay. Dito na lang daw. Hi, guys. Ang cute niya, guys. Wow.
Lakas niya na ang yan.
Ang cute, babe. Hi. Cute.
Ikaw naman. Uy, bully ka. Tinapalo.
Love it here. Dito lang kami, very quick. Babe, ang ganda dito. Grabe, oh. Ganda. Life update. Papakain pa dapat kami ng goat, kaso inuwi na sila. Kaya, yung nakita nyo guys, nagpadodot na lang ako. Ang cute! Ang lakas niya uminom ng gatas. Ang cute nila. Sobrang saya. What a fulfilling day. I love this day. One of my favorites. What a Valentine's date. Ang saya. Hindi kami ma-Valentine's ni Jun, guys, ha. So, nagulat ako pag open ko ng social media. Ang daming Valentine's posts from the Philippines. So, grabe pala widely celebrated sa atin yung Valentine's. Dito parang saks lang. Anyway, sobrang ganda dito, guys. Such a beautiful place. Hopefully, makapunta kayo dito if you have time when you are in South Korea. Okay.
6th floor or 3? Thank you.
Yeah. Checking in. Grabe naman yung hallway. Pasok. Wow! Ang laki! Okay. This is the door. This is the first room. Empty siya. Feeling ko may futon dito or something. Tingnan natin. Ayan! Maglalatag ka nga. Yan siya, guys. Maglalatag. Next! We have the restroom. Hello! Annyeong! Tapos, this is, wow! May kitchen! A refrigerator, kitchen with a sink, of course, oven. Ano yan? Rice cooker? Dining table. And then dito, guys, we have the sofa and the TV. And then here, I think, is the master's bedroom. So, we have this bed. And then, this is another restroom for the master's bedroom. Ang laki! Tingnan natin ang view. Let's see. Wow! Kitang-kita mo from here yung ski resort, which is down there. Over there. Sobrang mura na itong hotel na to, ha? Sobrang affordable niya. For as low as 2,500 pesos. Yung one bedroom siya. Hindi ganito. Pero may kitchen din talaga. Ito parang 2-bedroom yung nabook ko kasi ito na lang yung available. Pero this is 3,300 pesos. And you can book it via Klook. May discount code pa ako, Hazel Klook. If you use that, mas may discount pa. So, kung interesado lang naman kayo, di ba? So, this is our home for today na dapat home natin for the last 2 days. Saya ko na naabutan natin siya ng maliwanag pa para nakita talaga natin yung view. Tomorrow is hike day.
Saya pag grupo kayo dito.
Sobra. Feeling ko nga happy yung mga barkada dito eh. Okay, ang saya. Kasi nag-TikTok ako, tapos ang saya ng pagkakaikot ni Jun. Ayan, para makita nyo, may futon. Ilalatag siya. 8 people, up to 8 people ang pwede sa booking na 3,300 pesos. What? Saya, no? Tapos yung mga tao no, sa Pilipinas, dito na sa Taibik ng punta. Mas mura. And then the bathroom, common bathroom, kasi sa master's bedroom may isa pang bathroom. This is our living space. Ganda, no? What if ito yung apartment natin, no? Ganda, no? Ang saya. This is the view. And this is the sofa. Sarap! May Netflix kaya? Welcome to O2 Ski Hotel. Ha!
Ski resort?
Ski resort pala. Babe, pwede ka na mag-apply talaga sa mga
Hindi, O2 resort condo pala.
O2
Baka malito
resort
sila.
condominium. Kapag O2 ski resort, doon kayo bababa, magsiski kayo. Ito, O2 resort condominium. Ililink ko na lang lahat, guys. Ha? Pakita ko na yan. Saya ka dyan?
Laki. Pwede ka dito laro.
True. Eh, wala naman tayong lalaroin dyan.
Meron dyan PlayStation 5 na sa open mo.
Ayoko.
Sino mo?
Ayoko talaga. Lakas ng tamam. Laki ng rice cooker, oh. Babe, saan ka? Ugali niya yan, guys. Bubuksan niya lahat ng cabinet na makikita niya. Ang galing, no? Ba't kaya, babe?
Wala na. Baka kung ano meron eh. Mami mag-update tayo.
See you. Grabe, guys. Ang laki ng see you dito. Wow. What a big see you. I have a lot of food na nire-reheat. Ano to? Almond. Wala sila parang pansit kanto. Parang lahat noodles. Noodles tteokbokki. Cool ng mga Pringles dito, guys. Ayan, butter caramel rosy tteokbokki. Mga Korean flavors. Gusto niya ng BHC. Sure ka. Ang dami. Wow. Ang dami.
Way back then.
Ay, saying goodbye to this beautiful view. Okay, we're heading out in a bit. Actually, now na. Guys, share ko lang. Ito yung ship farm na pinuntahan natin kahapon. Spring, summer, autumn, yan. Ganyan yung look niya. And then during winter, it's like this. Kaso nung nagpunta tayo, medyo wala ng snow. Ganda, no? Hiking time. So, yun pala ang tama. Hindi yun isa. Ready to hike. Tapos naka-shades na Blue Elephant. Tama ba yun? Got this from here. Sa convenience store, guys. Pang tungkol siya. Lagay ko na yung isa, guys. Okay, starting our hike. Sabi nila, ano itsura mo, sis? Okay. Wow, ayun, ang sarap. Ang sarap nung crampons. Sama ko to kahit sa Seoul. Ilalagay ko to.
Pag may ice na.
Time check, it's around 12:45. And we're just starting out now. Hindi pa kami nagla-lunch, but we ate some odeng and chocolates. Kain natin to. Buti pa yung iba nakababa na. Kami pa start pa lang. Starting the hike now. Ito yung maingay, guys. Pero ang sarap niya sa paa. Let's go hike! Taebeksan! Tada! Parang ang hirap pala mag-vlog. Update ko kayo later, guys. First time ko mag-hike ever. My whole life. Babalikan ko kayo, guys. Ganda. Oo nga, baka nga river yan. Maganda guys kasi may path. Very easy lang.
Yeah.
Parang this is the start of something new. Hikers tayo. Falling rocks na warning. It's the start. Uy, sobrang nag-enjoy ako so far. Pero guys, normally, maraming tao dito. Usually kapag Saturday, Sunday, tas morning, maraming group tours, pwede kayo mag-join in from Seoul, ganon. Kami, pinili namin mag-hike on a Monday, and then medyo late na kami nag-hike. Kami chill lang naman kami. Yun nga lang parang...
Bakit di abutin?
Oo, so dapat maaga pa rin. Siguro latest na yung 10 AM. Para yung ibang trail makikita nyo. Kung expert kayo or nag-hike kayo sa Pilipinas. Wow! First time hiking and it's in Taebaek, South Korea! Welcome to Gangwon-do! So beautiful! Ganda! I'm so happy we did this. Thank you so much! Baba na guys. Tayo paakyat pa lang. So cute! My God! I'm so proud! Alam kong mga expert kayo guys. For a first timer, gusto ko na maiyak. We reached 949
Yung ba
meters.
yun? Baka naman, feel ko naman nakaganan tayo.
Feeling ko rin. And medyo mataas na yung inakyat namin doon. Mataas siya. Okay. Okay, naka 1 km na tayo. Okay guys, you'll also see this parang mga informations. Siguro kasi kapag autumn, spring, summer, pero it's winter so hindi nyo makita yung mga flowers. Feeling ko okay din talaga mag-hike ng ano, no? Autumn or spring.
Kasi malamig ang Taebaek pag summer.
Fun fact guys, Taebaek during summer is one of the coldest in South Korea. So medyo malamig-lamig sila compared sa city. So para silang Baguio natin. Yan na yung mga na-hike natin so far. Ganda dito. Ha? Ano?
Nun daw.
Weh? Feeling ko pwede yan sa mga expert, no? Ayan guys, medyo may slope na tayong inaakyat. Dito tayo galing guys. Naka 1.2 pa lang tayo. We're going here. Cheonjedan, 3.2 kilometers. Okay, let's go. May hagdanan, no? So, hindi beginner trail talaga siya kayo, guys. Siguro mahirap na akyatin kasi kaya nilagyan hagdanan. Ayan guys, may hagdanan, no? Ito yung beginner trail talaga, may hagdanan. Pagod na ako pero nagbablog pa rin ako. Nakakahingal pala. Kaya pala yung mga hiker, nasa ulo nila yung GoPro, yung camera. Bye guys. See you later. Mas mahirap pa yung hagdanan. Dami natin nakakasalubong. Mataas yung hagdanan. Mas nakakapagod. Yo.
Wala. Makapal yan.
Takot ako! Galing tayo dito. Ang saya! Hindi ba napipil ng mga hikers dyan? Comment down below. Paakyat ulit. Hindi halata sa vlogging cam, pero paakyat yan. Okay guys, second arc. Nakapa 2 kilometers na tayo. So, you have an option to do this or this trail. Pwede naman dito sa trail na mas mahirap, I think. Medyo mas mahaba din. But this one is a lot easier and for beginners. So, dito tayo sa may stairs. They also have parang mga bench dito. Please include this in your next winter trip. Never pa ako nag-hike in my entire life. But this one, sobrang kaya siya and it's so fun. Ang ganda ng view. And siguro kung nag-hike kami earlier, dapat ang schedule namin first week ng February kami mag-hike. Kasi ang dami kong work. Ang ganda dito. As in, sobrang daming snow. Check nyo na lang yung pictures ng mga nag-hike. Grabe. Ang ganda ng mga photos nila. And sobrang ganda ng sunrise dito. As in, pastel, bluish, pink, na may yellow. Oh my God. One of the best sunrise photos na nakita ko. Ayan. So now, we still have 2.4 kilometers to go. It's been an hour of hiking. Medyo mahirap siya, kaya hindi na ako masyadong nag-vlog. Ay, hindi naman siya mahirap, kaya naman siya. Sobrang importante na you have this, yung binili namin. Kung hindi, mahirap. Madulas. Hikeries yun, oh. Model siya ng North Face, si Cha Junu. Cha Junu. Alam niyo yung nakakapagod? Hindi yung hike eh. Yung hagdanan. Pangalawang hagdanan to. This is the view. Beautiful, beautiful Mount Tebeksan. Ingat. Ingat po. Tingnan niyo yung dinadaanan natin. Look at this. Alam mo kung chill tayo kasi wala tayong nahabol ng 4 p.m. Ayun eh. Upo-upo tayo doon. Enjoy. I know we're only halfway there, but you can take me all the way. Take me all the way. Sabi nila, wag ka nang kumanta. Lagyan mo na lang ng background music. These are the mountains. Oh my God, ang lapit na natin. Haha. Guys, diyan kami galing sa bun, sa pinakababa. Hindi na namin makita. Halos ka-level na natin tong bundok. Wow. Nakakasalubong namin, pababa na silang lahat. Kami, hindi pa. Annyeonghaseyo. 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 Annyeonghaseyo.
계속 올라가야 돼.
Hello.
여기입니다.
We made it! Charing, di pa. Ang taas pa. Ganda na itsura dito. Medyo patarik na yung akyat, guys. The slopes are sloping. Ayan! Hala, nakita niyo yan ang taas. Hala, hindi ko na kayo mabablog dyan. Ayan no. Kita na pala from here yung slope. Mataas na siya, guys.
Vlog kita. Go na. Kaya ko. Ganda.
Kaming dalawa yung hi guys. A tomb of a person killed by attack. Bye guys, hindi na ako mag-vlog. Medyo mahirap na eh. Actually, kaya naman. Pero, first time ko kasi. So, yung mga ganong klaseng slope. Madulas, babe. Bye guys. Mamaya na lang.
Sama ka sa rope, babe.
Oo nga, haba kami sa rope. Hello. Made it to ano to? Banje Point. And hanggang dito na lang kami.
Hindi na kaya ng oras.
There's an emergency medicine box here. We're at the parang ano to, babe? Banje Point. So ito yung resting area. Bago talaga makapunta sa peak. So it's another 2.4 kilometers. Nagsasara yung point ng 4 p.m. So bawal na mag-hike at around 4 p.m. Hanggang 4 p.m. dapat makababa kayo. Eh, di ba late tayo nag-start? So, natagalan kasi nagbablog pa ako, guys. Sorry. 2 p.m. na. So, 2 hours pababa. Kasi 2 hours kaming umakyat for here, eh. So, it's sad. Sad ka, babe?
Hindi naman. Pagod na ako, eh.
Medyo nakakapagod siya. So, I think that's something na we need to take account for. Kasi, since nakita namin beginner trail siya kanina, nag-chill-chill kami. Kasi parang pag ganun-ganun lang. Ito guys, sobrang tarik niya. Ako ha, ayun o, ang tarik. Tapos tingnan niyo yan, may snow. Ayan siya. Patarik pababa guys, sobrang pababa. May mga snow pa dito na super dami. So, ang nangyari ay kumapit kami sa mga lubid. Hindi ko na rin na-vlog. Tapos pagdating namin dito, ayan, ito na yung aabutan nyo, which is rest area to. Ala, ang sakit sa tenga.
Yun nga, kinag-bonnet na ako, eh.
Ba't ang sakit sa tenga?
Malalakas na ang hangin dito, tsaka lamig na.
Malamig na. So, lumalakas na yung hangin, tapos tumutunog na yung hangin na pa. hindi ako nag-joke. I think it's another 2 hours for beginners like us.
Bagal natin umakyat, eh.
Bagal kami guys kasi wala akong ginawa kundi mag-vlog, hawak ng camera. So ang bagal ng ang sakit sa tenga. Wait lang guys. Hindi ko alam kung kita ng camera, pero pag ganun siya ulit, pag ganyan. As in, ayun oh. Yan. Better luck next time. I'm so glad we tried it. For first timers, I'm so proud of myself. Sakit sa tenga nun ah. We're here. Banjes Safety Rest Area. And from here, Chonjadan is 2.4 kilometers pa. This is the whole map of Tebeksan or Dangol district. And sobrang daming mapupuntahan dito. We're currently here. There's a temple here. There's a temple over here as well. Ayan, may peak dito. May peak. Sobrang daming peak na pwedeng puntahan. Yun nga lang, kapos kami sa time, guys. I think we went, dito tayo yata galing or dito, somewhere. Nandito na tayo, guys. And another 2 kilometers to go here. We started at around 12:43. It's 2:14 p.m. Going down will take another 2 hours, so sakto magiging 4 p.m. na. Ang sad. But I'll be back, Tebeksan! I'll be back for you. I'm gonna come back and finish this strong. Kung hindi ka po sa oras, guys, ang sarap mag-chill. There's a lot of rest areas down there. Tapos, ang sarap mag-play with snow. May mga nagsusnowman. Then here, another rest area. So, I think a lot, one whole day for this, no? Vlog pa din! Vlog pa! I'll be back for you, Tebeksan! Just want me go! Ba't umaakit ba sila? Akala ko hanggang 4 lang.
Baka hanggang dyan siya sa Panje. Baka kaya nila.
Hindi, 2 kilometers pa, baby.
Yun nga, eh.
Tapos, mas mahirap eh.
Nakakaya yun. Mas mahirap yun.
Oh.
Bakit yung ako?
Sarap.
Hindi mo abot?
Oh.
I want you to know how I feel.
Ganda ng araw.
I just think
Wow.
I might have to spell
Love
it
the
out
sun.
for you. So listen here. I want this
Oh,
song to
sarap
Ay,
po.
namigigan.
Ang cute!
Babe, gawin
Ay,
mo yan.
dalawa sila.
Gawin mo yan.
Ganda. Guys, mas maganda siya in person. So beautiful. Wow.
feel this feel deep in my heart and my chance if you feel just a bit of the same and come
Niyaya ko dito nila, Bebo.
playing this game.
Okay lang sa akin. Basta, maraming oras.
Mag-hike kaya ng ganito, tol?
Oo, akitin nila yan.
Pwede?
Oo.
Saya. Okay, picture lang yun, guys.
Oh.
Siya, ikaw kasi sabi mo maglaro ako ng snow. Parang gusto mo lang gumante ah.
Kaya na rin.
Ang sakit.
Saan?
Oh,
Lalo.
yung lamig ata yun. And then guys, may temple kaso sarado na. Ganda. Ayan guys, this is the entrance. We made it back. Safe and sound. To everyone, you really need this. Crampons. Yan. This is what it looks like. Ilalagay nyo siya sa shoes nyo. You can buy it here in the convenience store. But us, we bought it in Black Yak. It's a popular brand here in South Korea. Meron din sa North Face. Pero kung once lang naman kayo mag-hike, you can opt for nandiyan sa convenience store, meron din. But, ang ganda nung amin. Kasi may mga nakasalubong kaming parang dumudula. So, I think better yung maganda yung quality. This is mine. It's color red kasi ito na yung available na color. Now, we're heading to our favorite cafe here in Tebek because we're going home tonight. I'm gonna miss the pumpkin ice latte sa cafe sa baba. Super sarap. Gusto ko, hahanap ako ng pumpkin latte in Seoul na kalasa nun. Pag wala, babalik tayo dito. Okay? All done. And then they gave us pouch para dito. Also, let me show you my outfit. Also, ang ganda nitong North Face namin. Na jacket, super gaan. And talagang hindi pumapasok yung wind. Nung binuksan ko nga to, na-realize ko, ay malamig pala. Pero at the same time, parang hindi ka rin naman pagpapawisan on a normal day unless talagang may activity na, no, na ginagawa. Okay, also, I got this North Face na snow boots. Affordable lang na North Face snow boots. Yan. Tapos yung outfit natin is one na manipis na heat tech. Mahilig ako dito sa ultra thin na heat tech. Tapos this sweater na medyo makapal. Shorts. And then this stockings that I got lang online, which is, I think sa Lazada ko pa ito nabili. Ito yung outfit natin kanina. This is yung pouch ng Black Yak. Gonna put it here after you use it. This is a nice investment. Kasi for sure, we will be back. And dadalhin ko yung friend ko dito, si Kat, na geologist. Pagkababa nyo guys, this is the Snow Festival. And this is the Coal Museum na pala. O, diba? Okay, just walk to the cafe. Coming back for the pumpkin latte. Ang sad, it's closed. I'm so sad. Ang sarap pa naman. Gonna come back, Gangwon. Ang sad, it's closed. Yan siya. Oh, kailangan tanggalin yung shoes. Ganito ang duck galbi nila. It's masabaw. And this is the fried rice. Ikaw na muna. Baka masira ako eh. Hindi ko siya personality. Like, ina-anxiety ako na baka masira ka siya. Gets mo ba yun? Ayun na. Next up, we're here in a cute cafe and bakery. Wow! Ito yung mga popular sa kanila at ganyan yung mga cake nila. Solid. Hindi, ang ganda ng vibe. Hindi ko in-expect na ganito. Akala ko normal lang. Ganda, ang cute. Ang ganda dito. Ang ganda sa labas. Okay, let's try. They also have this rainbow layered cake. cheesecake, Oreo cake. Ala, ang sasarap ng mga cake. Ang sarap ng parang mga rolls, oh. Wow, ano to? Ang sarap. Oh my God. This is currently a popular bread here in Korea for some reason. Ang ganda rin sa labas kaso super lamig. So beautiful. Gusto talaga sa kanila yung butter and red bean. This is their signature daw. This is a really nice cafe here in Taebaek. May entrance din pala dun. So this is how it looks like. There's an extra room here. So beautiful. Wow, may mirror. Hello. Mirror selfie. Today's order, Himalayan salt latte, and then this one is the briquette latte. This is their signature drink. This one is parang chocolate cake. Wow, may inggit. So this is the cafe, guys. May entrance din pala dito sa likod. Okay guys, dito lang pala bibili. Super dali lang. Isang click lang, andyan na lahat in English. You just choose. For us, it's Dongseol. 3 hours, 20 minutes. Next is the 7:20 bus. And
confirm information on reservation and select your seat. If your information on reservation is all correct, please swipe your credit card in the card reader.
magkano lahat? 70,000. Ayan guys. This is the bus terminal. This is how Taebaek looks like during winter. Ito yung Mount Taepeksan. Yung inakyat natin. Ganyan yung itsura niyan sa taas, guys. Ito pag autumn, summer, and then that's spring. May flowers. We're just buying bus tickets. You can pay via credit card or cash.
The ticket is being printed, so don't pull it.
Just like that, you have the tickets. Grabe guys, sobrang bilis lang. Less than 2 minutes, may ticket na kayo. And just like that, our weekend trip is done. Tomorrow, I have work. I'm gonna meet my boss. I'm so excited. I hope you visit Gangwon, especially Taebaek, on your next trip to South Korea, especially the winter season. Super ganda. Kami medyo parang patapos na yung winter nung nagpunta kami, pero as you can see dun sa mga photos, sobrang ganda nila. In celebration of the 2025 to 2026 Visit Gangwon year, we, of course, visited the Snow Festival and a lot of places here in Taebaek, Gangwon. Dapat actually kasama pa sa itinerary namin yung BTS bus stop, which is just train away from here. So may train station din, pero we prefer the bus. Wala lang, pero yes, may train station sila, guys. If natuloy kami doon sa BTS stop, trains tayo pa uwi, pero hindi tayo natuloy kasi nag-hike kami. So ayun, they have a global ATM over here, and here they have a mini convenience store. May mga snacks. Guys, they also have Taebaek Wi-Fi or the public Wi-Fi. Ito ata yung bus namin kasi may nakalagay East Seoul. These are the platforms. Very friendly naman kasi guys, nakasulat kung saan papunta. You just have to check it out. Okay guys, sari-sariling lagay din pala sa bus. Tingnan natin kung ayun, binubuksan nga lang. Let's go. Right. Ganito yung mga upuan. It's like the airport shuttle bus. Ayan, pwede kayong humiga kasi nare-recline tapos natataas yung paa, oh. Diba? Very spacious siya.